I'm Carol Johnson. I work with Johnson-Nash Metal Products, and we are a custom sheet metal fabricating shop. That started in 1932 with my grandpa, Harry Nash. We started the business out of his garage. We're custom sheet metal fabricators. We don't make 1,000 widgets. We usually make one of something. A lot of times it's the prototype. If you need a conveyor to go around a pole and up 5 flights and then down 7 steps, we can make that for you. When Paul first came out to our shop, we were in a small building. We had 5 to 7 employees, and we did the basics. In our line of work, it's feast or famine. And when it's the feast and we are so busy we don't know what ends up, we have a production meeting once a day in the morning before we start. And one thing we can do with E2 is you can press a couple buttons and you can pull up what jobs you got going on, what stage they're in, when their due date is. We have to prioritize what's the hot job, what has to go first, and E2 makes that simple. I work for this guy, my brother Craig, who really likes to have his thumb on the pulse of the company. Never fails. I leave at 4 o'clock. Never fails. 3:45 every day. He'll say, what are our sales up to this month? And all I have to do is press a couple buttons, and I've got the figure, or I can even print out the paper that says what company and what percentage of the sales they are, and give him exactly what he wants. Or he'll say, who's more than 60 days behind in their payments? A few little clicks here and there, and I can print up the statement and give him the aging report on who owes and how much they owe and when it's due. And E2 system makes me look really good. I recommend E2 all the time. I have people calling either our customers that we have now or vendors, and I tell them that it's easy software to learn. If I can learn it, anybody can learn it, and it's easy to learn. It's easy to use, and when they do their updates, it's easy to get used to the updates. And they send out a bulletin that tells you what are the changes. So if there's a change that is indicated in your business, you'll know what it is, and you'll be looking out for it. Their customer support is really nice. I'm kind of afraid to call for customer support because I'm not really computer savvy. I don't know the lingo, and a lot of times it's like talking through a kindergartner on a computer, but they have the patience of a saint with me. And it seems like no matter who I get when I call, they're all knowledgeable. They all know what they're doing, and they'll lead you step by step through how to fix your problem, and before you know it, you're back up online again.